Hi, good morning. Thanks God. It's another day to celebrate the blessings for the day. And of course, a very nice day today, a bit sunny. And this is part of my 2 hours workflow. I'm doing this video because I would like to share to you guys that I am doing digital marketing in the e-learning industry, and I've been doing this for a year already, and I'm celebrating every day my daily pay because I took action from the time I saw this opportunity and doing it consistently on my work days, which is a 2 hour workflow every day, giving tips, giving some strategies, giving some insights, and also a contents every day to those who are interested in making this as a part-time business with a full-time income. So I have to go live in TikTok very soon or on my other social media platform. It can be in my Facebook or in YouTube. But most of the time I'm in TikTok because TikTok has billion users. I am into digital marketing, and what I like most in the digital marketing is that I don't make my own product in here. I only have to promote the ready products for me, and then get 100% profits. It can be a 100, a 300, a 600, or a 900, which is we build our legacy by this legacy builder program that we have, which is the most and trending, and we call it a premium program that we have since we launched it 3 weeks ago. So the good thing is that when you are into a digital marketing, you get 100% profits. And then we have this automation. I am a healthcare worker that works all the time. I was working double shift, double job before, but because of this digital marketing, business in the e-learning industry, I manage my schedule in a 2 hours workflow and lower myself into a part-time job so that I can focus on my digital marketing. It gives me positive results every day that makes me happy and gay. Okay, if you want to make your money online, make some extra income, this is the right timing for you to get started. Have an extra stream of income so that you can cope up with all your bills, and also we can have some vacation this summertime, bringing our family wherever we want to go, and bringing our business because this is a business in the box. We have this cell phone and our cellular connections, internet connections. We can do business anywhere, anytime in the world. So the good thing also is that we we are doing marketing, what do you call this, attraction marketing. We just copy paste post this video or available posters that we give every day in our community. Our coach is giving us contents every day. It can be in video or in posters, and put hooks on those videos or posters that we have and spread it to our social media platform, whatever social media we are using. So I am into TikTok, I am in Facebook, I am in YouTube, and also in Instagram. So if you want to learn more about digital marketing that gives you 100% profits, this is the right timing for you. I was in an MLM before, and I don't like that. I didn't get any what we call this, a successful result. I have some. I recovered my investment for that, but because of this a portion, you are getting a portion from the company, like 40% or 60%. So I discovered this opportunity in a digital e-learning industry that it gives me 100% profits, and I'm so excited for that. And then we have this email marketing. We're gonna teach you how to do that because email equals income. When you have these emails with you, you collected emails from your business. Whenever there is a shutdown of one of the platform, you don't have to worry because you have the list of emails of those people, those who are interested in doing the business, or those who doesn't want to do the business. You still have your email with them, that if there is some updates and have more opportunities that you are doing, you can still send them an opportunity. If the first opportunity you shared to them is not good for them, or it's not fit for them, and then there's 3 or 2 more opportunities, you can still send them those opportunity that they can still consider doing it So we teach you how to do this email marketing. So Pinterest, usually Pinterest are focusing on faceless brand business. So I am going to teach you also how to have this invisible empire. So excited every day because there are those people who doesn't want to show their face in a social media platform. So then we have this faceless brand business. By the way, when we do the copy paste method, we are going to teach you where to put it on a high traffic website for free. So what is it? What it is that you only have to do the 3 steps. First of all, you choose which program you're going to invest. In business, we invest, but this is one-time investment with no monthly fees. One-time investment for the program and one-time investment for the website for you to use this $1 million website that we have, and then you're gonna be ready to go when you get into the business, paying the or enrolling into the program. After 5 minutes of creating your username and your password, your business will be ready because the website is done for you. You only have to put your name in there, your bio, and your picture that you are a real person doing the business. Okay, so then we have the discovery method in here. We will discover your business through TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Instagram. So we have all these programs ready for you. So here it is. When you get into the program, you'll get all of these modules. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how this $1 million website that we have creates more people getting into the business. Gonna flip the camera here. Okay, here is our okay, hold on. Okay, so this is my website. So if you're going to get started today, you're gonna have your own website like this, also a $1 million website. $1 million website wherein everything, okay, that is me. Hold on, I'm gonna start from the beginning. So this is my program. We have the Legacy Builder program, we have the Launchpad, Daily Pay Blueprint, and the Digital Mastery. So Legacy Builder program is the best program that we get into so that you have 4 streams of income in here. We are into digital marketing, digital e-learning business, which is a $1 billion business every day. Imagine our community generated 1.9 million in just 11 days. So how about you? Are you interested to join in our community and giving this and earning this kind of amount? So learn the daily pay blueprint with 100% profit, daily pay, and path to recurring income. So we're going to teach you guys. So this is your website. This is going to be your website when you get started today. 3 simple steps. Get into one of the program and then start your own daily pay business, and we are going to show you exactly where and how to start posting ads on a high traffic website for free. And number 3, when people get into your program, you get 100% profits. So those are all ready for you. You only have to put your name in here and your bio, your picture, and your family maybe, to let them know that you are doing the program, the business on the digital space. So those are all the programs in there. The four digital products that you can do it in. This is it, an interactive program that we mentor you online, one-on-one on the program, and also you can get into our community of 14,000 members already here. So this is our program. These are all the learning skills that you have in every program. You have the Launchpad, the blueprint. Okay, the more learning skills you have, the more earnings you will have. That will be your website also, and all of this worth 1,900. You have all the bonuses in there if you're gonna start your digital product. Legacy Builder program. Everything here is worth 1,900, but if you're gonna start today, you're gonna get 900 only, and bring all this on the spot income streams. So if you are interested, let me know. Type yes so that I can send you the full details on how I make my 2 hours workflow every day and gaining 100% profits. 100, 300, 600, 900. Type yes to learn more. Bye and have a nice day.